Question number 9 is about functions. A function f is defined by f of x is equals to minus 3x square plus 2, and domain of this function is x is less than equals to minus 1. For the a part you have to state the range of f. For the b part you have to find the expression for f inverse of x. So if you consider the expression, the function that is given to you, that is f of x is equals to minus 3x square plus 2, and for that x is less than equals to minus 1. When you put x is equals to minus 1 over here, then your y will be minus 3 times minus 1 whole square plus 2. That gives you minus 3 plus 2, that is equals to minus 1. It means that whenever you put x is equals to minus 1 over here, your y will be minus 1. First of all, draw the graph for minus 3x square plus 2. You know that minus x square shows a parabola in downward direction. This is 2 unit above because 2 is added to it. So for example, here is 1 and here is 2. So your graph for this function would be just like that, right? Now when x is equals to minus 1, for example, minus 1 is lying over here. This is my minus 1. Corresponding to x is equals to minus 1, my y value is also minus 1. So for example, minus 1 over y is lying over here. So that's the point. Let me draw with another marker so that you can see clearly. This is the first point, that is for minus 1 to 1. Now if you put y is equals to minus 2 over here, because your x is going to decrease from the right to left, so minus 1, other than minus 1 you choose x is equals to minus 2. See what happens. Whenever I choose x is equals to minus 2, so my value will become minus 12 plus 2, that is minus 10. It means that for x is equals to minus 2, here is minus 2. Your y value is minus 10. For example, here is minus 10. It means that this is the second point you can say. So that's the second point. Join your graph and it's moving in downward direction. It means that your answer, other than minus 1, it's coming in downward direction. Whenever you put x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 2, your values are coming in minus 1, minus 10, minus 20, something like that, that are moving in downward direction. So as a whole, you have this type of graph, just like that, right? So you have to find the range. Range will be calculated by just like this graph. So this y would be less than equals to minus 1, or you can also say f of x is equals to less than equals to minus 1. It's giving me minus 1, and then other than minus 1 it's going on decreasing. So on the basis I can say that's the range for this graph.